up? Welcome to my vlog. I honestly have just been chilling, and I don't know what it is about like being self-quarantined and just being inside, but like you would think I would be productive and like film and like do so much stuff, but honestly like I have been like glued to my couch. Like I do have to work for my my normal job. We are all working from home for 2 weeks, so I still have to work from 9 to 5, and I'm actually very busy at my job. My routine hasn't really changed. I wake up at 9, I work till 5, and then by 5 I'm tired and I just want to continue laying on my couch. And like I work from home a lot. I work from home once a week as part of my schedule, but like doing it every day, it's like such a weird like I can't tell the difference between like, okay, I'm working right now. Oh wait, no, but I'm actually home. Like my home is my work, but my work is home. But I wanted to vlog. I've seen a couple people that I'm subscribed to do like quarantine, like self routines. This is what I've been doing. I've been working, and then I've been watching TV and looking at my phone. But I actually like stopped looking at my phone too much. I'm trying to do like a social media cleanse where I'm like not on my phone so much, because I don't know about you guys, but like I have extreme anxiety. So like every time I like read like something on my phone, like because the press like really needs to shut up. Like they really don't have the expertise to be reporting on medical news. Like that should just be left for the doctors. So I'm just done with the news. I'm done with social media. I've also seen an increased amount of people on TikTok. So I don't know, I was like, should I join the TikTok wave? Like, are you guys on TikTok? Who is on TikTok? I don't even have the app. Like, I don't watch TikTok videos. I only see them on like Instagram and Twitter. I kind of refuse to get a TikTok. But I don't know, I feel like I'll eventually give in, especially since I'll be stuck inside. I'm actually going to record a video right now. I have some spring clothes that I just bought, and I wanted to do a spring haul. Yeah, I need to make my bed. It's just a mess. I've been watching The Office like every single day. Like I just like got glued back to it again. Anto was here. He's been staying over for the week, and we've just been like cooking and pretty much what we normally do. He left, he had to go back to his place to work, and yeah, I'm supposed to be working right now. It's Saturday, by the way, so I don't have work, but I wanted to film a video today. Okay, I'm gonna go do my hair and my makeup. My lashes, oh god, have you guys seen that meme where it's like girls coming out of the quarantine with like grown out nails and like no lashes, like bushy eyebrows, like their roots growing out? My lashes it's coming to the point where like they're looking like they're about to be rough soon, and my nails are kind of growing out. I did want to maybe later guys show you guys like what different books I'm reading. I also like started using my iPad for the first time in a while. I'm gonna play around with that later and like show you guys some really interesting apps and books and podcasts that I've been into lately, because I mean obviously like you gotta find things to do during this time. Probably do that later, because right now I need to film a video, and wow, I'm gonna actually do my hair and makeup for the first time in like 2 weeks. Oh, you know what would be interesting? Maybe I should do a fridge tour, because I kind of, you know, panic shopped, and I went to the grocery store 4 times this week. I stocked up very well. I got all of my vegetables, carrot, kale. I got some potatoes. What is that? A pepper, garlic, because I'm gonna cook a lot. I got some celery, asparagus, avocados. I keep my avocados in the fridge because they last a lot longer. They won't go bad. Here I have some grapes. I have some little mini cucumbers. That's some soup that I made yesterday that I need to finish. Hummus, tofu. I got a salad mix. And then here are some Brussels sprouts. Oh my god, this is actually very old. That's embarrassing. This is literally a week old. Nope, that's going in the trash. Oh, I got lunch meat for some sandwiches. Got some cheese. I got tapioca. That's old. This is some chicken, grilled chicken I made the other day. I have dips, chicken salad. Oh yeah, stocked up on my bread. I got normal bread. I got some of these little bagels, and I got, oh wait, where is it? I got strawberry cream cheese. Oh yeah, there it is. What else did I get that's brand new? I got all my, oh yeah, I got new juices. This juice, if you guys have not tried this, please try it. It's mango juice. It is amazing. I got some orange juice. This was Anto's. He got this. It's like a strawberry lemonade drink. Yeah, pretty stocked up. So that's the fridge. The pantry is pretty good too. oh my god, guys, don't judge me. This is all junk food. I got some chips, that's new. What else is new? We made burgers the other night. What is that? Oh yeah, rice cakes. Oh, I got this from Mexico. This is a set of like hot sauces that me and Anto are gonna try next time we cook. So, oh, I got this bread too. It's cinnamon swirl. This tastes so amazing when you put strawberry cream cheese on it or butter. It's really good. And then, okay, yeah, this is just, okay, I got some chips. These are my favorite ramen bowls. I know this is not the healthiest, but it's so good and it's so easy to make for like a quick lunch. And then I have brownies. I have Cocoa Crisp cereal, guys. I'm embarrassed. Oh, but I do make my smoothies every day. Grind up like my kale and all my vegetables, and then I have frozen fruits, and then I put 2 scoops of green superfood. So I do get my nutrients. I try to, but I'm just in the mood to eat like junk food, guys. It's really bad. My freezer, I got some stuff too. Oh, so Anto and I made burgers the other night. We got these bacon cheddar Bubba burger. Those were good. We got those from like Target. And then, yeah, we got this pie. Oh, this is my favorite pasta. It's veggie pasta. It's rotini marinara. You just pop these in the microwave and it's vegetable pasta. So like the pasta is made from like zucchini and like other vegetables. It's really good. And then here's the fruit that I got that I used to make my smoothies with. It's like a medley. And then I got this ranch cauliflower, and then here I got some ricotta lemon ravioli just in case I want something quick to eat, and then I have more of the pastas back here. So we're good on food, in case they, you know, shut down the country for 2 weeks, because I heard they were gonna do that. And then, oh my god, this stuff is so good. I finished this last night pretty much. And yeah, I have all my meats here, because a lot of the grocery stores are sold out on meat. It's crazy, like there's no meat at all, but I have my frozen chicken, my frozen turkey, and yeah, we're good on food. I also have frozen shrimp too, and I think I have some fish down there too. And then I have all of my vitamins here. So guys, this is the time right now to boost your immunity and take all your vitamins. So I take multivitamins for your everyday nutrition. You should always have a multivitamin, but more specifically for this time period, I take vitamin C. It boosts your immune system, antioxidant support, and then I also take zinc, which is like really good at boosting your immune system. And that's also why I drink lemon and ginger tea, because ginger is also good for boosting your immune system. And then I also take iron because it helps support healthy blood cell like absorption, or what is it called? Essential for healthy red blood cells, yeah. And I actually am low on iron. And then these are just, I don't really take the hum ones anymore because they're not really essential to me anymore. Collagen, I put this in my coffee every morning. You guys have seen this before. If I were to recommend any of these, like take C, zinc, multivitamins. And I wanna get, I wanna go to like Whole Foods to get immunity boosters, like those little shots of immunity. And I have bananas, lemons, onions. That's my kitchen, guys. And I got the Lysol on deck. Oh my god, don't look at my sink, I have to clean that. I literally have so much Lysol. My mom went to Costco 2 weeks ago and she bought all this right before the pandemic started, but she got so many Clorox wipes, so I have like them all stocked in here. I have Lysol spray. I got all my cleaning supplies. The only thing I am running out of is, you know, hand sanitizer, because the country is short of it. So that's it for my self-quarantine little setup. I got my food, I got my cleaning supplies. I've been cleaning my apartment like a lot too, because I mean, I have so much time now and I love to clean. Before I used to not have any time and I would get so stressed with how messy my apartment was, but now all I do is clean. Literally been rambling for like an hour, so I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It is the next day. I didn't do much yesterday because guess what, I'm quarantined and there's not much to do. But anyway, I am back in my apartment. I went over to my parents' place for the night and I stocked up on a bunch of stuff because they are stocked up. They got toilet paper, they had Lysol wipes, they had food, they had paper towels, like literally all the things we take for granted they had. So yeah, I'm very thankful that I'm able to have these things. And so now I'm back in my apartment. I worked today and I actually just filmed a video. So I mentioned earlier in this vlog that I was going to show you guys like the books I'm reading and the current podcasts I'm listening to, and like different things to keep me preoccupied during this time. So I actually decided to film a very separate video. So it's not gonna be in this vlog. It's going to be a video that's already going to be on my channel. So if you wanna go check that out and see what I'm doing to keep busy, then I will link that below. I'll also link it above. So go check that out if you're interested. I'm going to make a little quick snack, I guess, because it's not really lunch time. It's actually dinner time. But Anto's coming over later and we're gonna cook dinner together, but I'm really hungry, I can't wait. So I'm gonna make a snack for now. I'm gonna make a chicken salad, like a salad with chicken salad on top. I have here my organic half and half blend, baby spinach and spring mix. So I have that, and then I have the chicken salad that is literally my favorite. It is a light chicken salad, so they have the original and then this one is the light one. It's like 140 calories for how many? 3.5 ounces. I got this at Harris Teeter's. It's literally amazing. And then I have some cucumbers I'm gonna chop up, and then I'm gonna put some cottage cheese on top because I just love cottage cheese. And then for dressing, I'll probably do my favorite, my cilantro dressing from Trader Joe's. Look at my fridge door. Ugh, it's so annoying. It just goes all the way back and then it like comes back. This is such an annoying fridge. Like, look at that. Oh, pickles. I'll probably eat some pickles too. Yes, love a good pickle. So yeah, this is my favorite dressing. It is from Trader Joe's cilantro salad dressing. And then I'm wondering what else I could put in my salad. I wanted to put avocados in it, but these avocados are not ripe yet. I kept them in the fridge to try to keep them good for a long time. So I had to take some out and I put some in my fruit bowl. So I gotta wait like a day or two for those. It is day 7 of self-quarantine for me. I have been self-quarantined in my apartment. The only times I have left is to go to the grocery store. I went to the grocery store actually 4 times this week, which is probably not recommended, but I just like kept forgetting food. And I also was panic buying because like everyone's been doing that. But anyway, I left to go to the grocery store and then I left to go to my parents' house for a night. And the only people I have seen in person are my parents and my boyfriend, Anto, who is coming here later. But other than that, it's been self-isolation, and honestly I'm enjoying it. I consider myself a social person, but I also consider myself a person that needs their alone time. Like, I'm an Aquarius. We need to be independent and alone. So it hasn't been that bad, and I know a lot of people are like freaking out because like they want to be out and they want to like go like do things. A lot of people are like, you know, doing a lot of outdoor activities like hiking and camping. In the DC area, a lot of people went to the tidal basin over the weekend and went to go see the cherry blossoms. The number of new cases rose in DC overnight, and it's like, you just can't help but think, is it like because everyone went to go see the cherry blossoms over the weekend? And the cherry blossoms are there every year. They look the same. Also, if you're in Maryland, like there are cherry blossoms everywhere. Like, I literally have a cherry blossom tree in my parents' yard. So it's like, I don't know, is it really worth, you know, risking it and, you know, risking it for other people? So, I don't know. By the way, are there any Bachelor fans out there? Because do you know who has been getting me through this quarantine? Hannah B and Tyler. Hannah B and Tyler are in a house together in Jupiter, Florida. And they have just been living life with their little quarantine crew. They like created an Instagram account and a TikTok account, which I'm not a fan of TikTok. But I'm a fan of the quarantine crew's TikToks. Anyway, they're giving me life during this quarantine. And I don't know if Hannah B and Tyler are together, but I hope they are because I love them. So here's the final salad. It's pretty basic, but it's still gonna be delicious. Just that lettuce mix, the cucumbers, and then the chicken salad right on top. And then I put the dressing like all around the sides of it. And I didn't put cottage cheese because I just wasn't feeling it with the chicken salad already in there. So there's my little snack. I cannot wait.
Cool. Why do we look so great?
I am joining the trend. I think it's like a trend now. I don't know. Everyone's virtually having a happy hour, so I'm having a happy hour over Zoom with all my girls. Oh, well, everyone's here except for one person. Let's say hi, guys.
Oh no.
Hello.
Why are you doing this? Where did Faith go?
She went to go get a drink.
Oh, god damn it. I look so pale. I have no...
Look at my lashes.
Oh my god.
They're all falling. There's no more. There's...
This one looks red. I think it cut
Are you
off.
doing?
Hey guys, it's later in the evening. Anto just got here and we're making dinner. We're attempting to make a recreation of the Popeyes chicken sandwich because I just saw a video and it looked really good. So we're attempting. We're following the instructions, but we had to change things up a little bit. We have the chicken marinating here. The recipe needed buttermilk, but I didn't have any, so I used almond milk, so we're gonna see how that turns out. Here's the flour that we're gonna dip it in. It's just flour, paprika, garlic powder, and salt, pepper, cayenne pepper. And so this has to marinate for an hour. We just put it in. And then after that, we're gonna put it in the flour and then fry it.
Alrighty, here we go. I'm going first.
I own lots of properties, and Anto owns a few. Oh, you don't really own that many.
Hey, I got the block though.
The what?
I got the block. I'm buying the hood.
The hood? Oh,
Yeah, right here.
he's buying this, but I'm gonna buy this. That's like the next hood over. I'm drinking a vodka soda, Grey Goose, and LaCroix. LaCroix? LaCroix. That's how you say it. Okay, Anto's he's gonna do the process.
So I go straight into the eggs?
Yeah, so put it in the egg. You may not even need eggs, but you can just dip it in. Why not?
No, I swear we probably don't.
We probably don't, but
But it's
just
all
do it
good.
anyway. You know what? It might mess up the marination.
Yeah.
Maybe we shouldn't do eggs. Yeah,
That's fine.
but like completely bury it in
I
there.
know.
I think the texture of the chicken's gonna come out a little bit different because this isn't a fryer. It's literally just frying it in a pan with oil. But that's okay. It'll still be good. The buns are in the oven. We're gonna grill them a little bit. We also made the sauce. It's mayonnaise and then hot sauce and pepper, garlic. So it's looking right. I think that's how the Popeyes one looks. And then we have our pickles sliced already.
50% ready.
No, this is like 30% ready and they're already looking like really good. Ugh, yes. Okay guys, so far it's so good. It's coming along just fine.
Chef told us not disappoint. Like, simple as
With
that.
my guidance.
We were nervous, you know what I'm saying? We don't even have all the tools we need, but look at this. Look at the color we're getting right
This
now.
is our first time making any type of fried chicken, mind you. It looks good, so far.
Celebrate this
We're gonna take a
beautiful
shot.
chicken.
We're gonna take a shot to celebrate
To celebrate chicken.
our chicken. A shot of what, babe?
Shot of Grey Goose.
Only the finest.
Like-
Cheers. Oh my
No.
god. Ugh.
No, just wait. Chase it with this. Oh my. This drink is a cheat code. Show them that drink. If you're hip, you're hip. If not, you're missing out.
Okay, that tastes good. Calypso. Here is the final sandwich. Not bad. Not bad. We don't have the bread, the same like buns that they use, and then the pickles are like kind of shaped weird, but I don't know. It still looks good to me. We're gonna have to do a taste test. Okay, we're doing a taste
my.
test. Anto already tried it. Is it good?
Oh.
It's good? Is it hot? Ooh, it's dripping. It's dripping.
Oh.
Is it good?
If I'm tripping, it just tastes good. I'm telling you, I think that French vanilla milk.
Okay.
I think that milk might have done something.
It's the sauce.
I'm gonna let it
too.
cool a little bit. I'm gonna let it cool.
Oh god.
It's so good.
This is good. I am pleasantly surprised at how good this is.
No.
Hi guys, I'm just coming on really quickly to end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am so tired. It was a long day, but it was so much fun. And I hope you guys enjoyed everything. And if you guys want to see more vlogs during my time in quarantine in my apartment, then let me know in the comments. I will be so happy to vlog some more. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you all in my next video.